Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Hulu account. For that, you'll need to open any web browser in your device. Then, once you open the web browser, on the top you can see the Google search bar. Just click on it. Then you'll need to type in URL www.hulu.com. Once you type in www.hulu.com, you'll need to press enter in your keyboard. Then, then you'll be guided to this page where on the top right corner you can see the login option. Just click on it. In order to log in, you'll need to enter your email and password on the second option. If you forgot your email or password, then just you will need to click on the forget your email or password option here on the beneath of the password option, and you can reset your email or password after you enter your details. Then you can just click on the login option. On the button you can see login, just click on it. Then you can log in into your Hulu account. This was it guys. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.